Hi guys! Welcome sa aking solo travel vlog here in Baguio City. Share ko sa inyo kung saan ako nagstay ng 2 nights and 1 day. Dito ako nagstay sa 3BU Hostel Session Row. Walking distance lang siya sa bus terminal and SM City. Ayan, papasok tayo dito. And pagpasok natin, meron tayong makikita na hagdanan. And pupunta tayo sa taas dahil sa second floor yung kanilang reception area. Meron sila ditong coffee shop and if gusto mong kumain, pwede ditong kumain. Ang check-in time ko ay 3 p.m. So dumating ako dito ng 30 minutes before my check-in time. So, naghintay ako sa cafe ng 30 minutes. And then, ito na yung pinaka-room. And napili kong room ay Smith. Let's go! Ayan, ito yung bed ko. Dito ako sa lower bed. And pagpasok mo, meron silang aircon, locker, and meron ding bathroom essentials. Ang ganda niya sa personal, guys, and napaka-comfortable niya. Masarap mag-stay, guys. At ito yung CR. And if you want to check in, just visit their website, 3buhostel.com, and you can select what location you want. Select how many guests you have and the date you want to check in. All the information is available on their website. You can visit anytime. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.